Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and let me show you how to add photo to contact here. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to contacts and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Now click on edit icon and select add photo. And now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So let me choose a picture. And now you can smoothly customize it here, so you can rotate it, you can crop it, whatever you wish, and then tap on Save Copy. Tap on Save again to confirm, and from now on this picture is assigned to your contact, so anytime this number will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture firstly. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.